Are you looking for the right local tree and garden services for your home and premises? Do you have tree branches that need attention or need professional tree removal services for your property? Looking for a low-cost and quick way to take care of those tiresome garden and ground maintenance jobs? Eastern Tree Care are here to help. Here at Eastern Tree Care, we offer a range of professional tree and garden services, ranging from tree pruning and removal to hedge trimming and garden work. We work with many local businesses, schools, construction companies, and all types of residential homes throughout Norwich, Norfolk, and East Anglia. If you need help with your garden, let us take care of the hard work for you. Our team of qualified tree surgeons are fully certified with many years of experience and will even take care of any required applications and paperwork for you in the fastest way to make your life easier. We offer a range of expert tree and garden services across Norfolk and East Anglia, including precision tree felling and removal, tree pruning and crown reductions, tree planting, tree stump grinding and removal, tree surveys, inspections and consultancy, grounds maintenance, fencing, and much more. Our range of professional garden and ground maintenance services include grass mowing, hedge cutting and plant pruning, weeding, garden and site clearance, ground maintenance, and much more. Whether you're looking to reshape or remove trees, stumps, or need professional ground clearance and garden services, simply call us today for a no-obligation, free quote on 01953 602 893. Our initial consultancy meeting is absolutely free of charge and allows us to discuss what work needs to be done and how we can help your outdoor space to look great. No matter what size job, big or small, we're here to help. Simply call us now on 01953 602 893 for your own no obligation free quote and let Eastern Tree Care assist you today.